Hey, welcome to InfoGamer, where we show you how to create video games inside of Unity. My name's Nathan, and this is how I recreated Among Us in one day. Well, not exactly. I haven't recreated the entire game, but I have most of the basic game mechanics done. And I did it over the space of 2 days, but the time that I spent was less than 24 hours. And this video is only to show you what I've done so far, but it's the first video in our tutorial series where I show you how to recreate your own version of Among Us. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you can be notified whenever we publish new videos for this series. Now before I get started showing you what I've created, I want to tell you a little bit about Among Us if you haven't heard of it, but who hasn't heard of Among Us? To put it simply, Among Us is an online multiplayer of Murder in the Dark. It's available on Steam for $5 and it's free on Android and iOS. This game was released in 2018, but just within the last month, this game has gone viral. It's currently sitting at number 3 in the top sellers of Steam, and it is number 1 on the top free chart for Google Play, accumulating over 100 million downloads just for Android. And so with that being said, why not learn how to recreate our own version? Now, if you haven't played the original game, I highly recommend that you download it today and try it out. So now let me show you what I've recreated within the last 24 hours and what I'll be showing you how to create in our future videos. So here I have my Among Us project open inside of Unity, and I'll go ahead and click play. Alright, so here I have the cute little 2D astronaut character and the spaceship level, and I can walk around the spaceship using WASD. You'll also notice that I've even incorporated the lighting and shadow mechanics that will hide objects that are in the shadows. Now if I get back to the cafeteria, you'll notice that I have another astronaut character, which is to represent another player, and if I were to press the spacebar while standing next to them, we end up killing that other player, which turns them into a ghost and leaves their body behind. Then while standing in view of the body, if I press R, the body is destroyed, and in the console we have a message that says reported. And that's what I have so far. Now obviously it's not a complete game, but that right there is a huge portion of the main basic game mechanics for Among Us. And as I show you how to create what I've done so far, I'm going to continue developing this project so that we can keep this series going. I'm planning on incorporating a chat system as well as online multiplayer, so this is really going to be one of the most complete and extensive game series that we've ever done here at InfoGamer. And so make sure that you subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified whenever we publish new videos. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with any of your friends who are also interested in becoming game developers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.